All right, so for this problem, we're asked to do construct a 90% confidence interval for mu1 minus mu2. So we're comparing two population means, and we're asked to do a confidence interval this time. So notice that we're only given sample standard deviation. So just like the previous problem. Or just like 8.2.11. And so we will be doing a similar sort of analysis, but we're going to be doing confidence interval. I don't know if you remember that, but there was a confidence interval option. And also it says confidence interval when variances are not equal. The variances are not equal, which tells us we're not doing pooled again. So just like 8.2.11, we're not we're assuming the confidence intervals or the variances are not equal to each other. So we're going to go into StackWrench. And you may have noticed, but for the second sample, the statistics are over here. And we're also given statistics. We're not given raw data. So this is very similar to 8.2.11, but we're doing confidence interval instead. So so we'll go into t-stat because we only have sample standard deviation and not population. So, and to sample, and with summary, not the data. All right, so we'll put the information in. Here's the first sample. The first sample mean is 111. The standard deviation is 3.87. You could just ignore the units. It doesn't really make a difference. Milligrams, just ignore it. And then the sample size is 15. And over here, 89. And standard deviation is 2.04. And sample size is 13. And we're not doing pooled. Pool variances is when the variances are equal to each other. But it says are not equal. And we're doing confidence interval instead of hypothesis test. So that's where it changes compared to 8.2.11. Okay, so confidence interval, and it's a 90% confidence interval, says up here. So we just change the level to 0.9 decimal form. And that's it. And there we go. And so that's round to the nearest integer as needed. And that's how they get 20 and 24 using this information, rounding to the nearest whole number or integer. That's how you get 20 and 24. Okay, so that's it. Let me know if you have any other concerns.